Howard County State's Attorney Rich Gibson says that law enforcement first found out about the presence of the 59 Hoover gang in Howard County back in 2011. Howard County Police then reached out to the state's attorney's office to launch a massive investigation. The first evidence of the gang in Howard County was when 59 Hoover materials were found at the Howard County Detention Center in 2011. Then in 2013, evidence referring to the gang was found at a home during a search warrant. By 2020, Howard County Police determined many, if not most, of the violent crimes there could be linked back to the gang.
Investigations of guns, drugs, and violence kept leading to the same suspects. Detectives realized many of these offenders were linked to one another and repeatedly committing crimes in our community.
Now, 8 gang members were indicted in 2022, including Jeremy Lewis. He's now convicted of being the gang leader, orchestrating several violent crimes and pulling the trigger in the shooting death of Jaden Ely in 2021. Lewis has been sentenced to life in prison plus 100 years with no chance of parole. The other 7 members have all pled guilty to various crimes, including robbery, first-degree assault, and gang involvement. Their sentences range from 4 years in prison up to 18 years in prison. And one of the gang members, Anthony Jenkins, is waiting to be sentenced later this month. The authorities say that the 59 Hoover gang is a national gang organization which started in California as an offshoot of the Crips. Police say they likely chose Howard County due to the lack of competition from other gang-affiliated organizations.
They were involved in everything that a gang's involved in. So there was drugs, there was gun offenses, there was gun dealing, there were assaults, controlling turf. And controlling turf isn't just one gang interacting with another gang. It could be just some kids from the neighborhood doing something in a space they didn't like.
Now, even with the 8 convictions, authorities say that community collaboration is key in rooting out violent crime, and they are still on the lookout for the gang's presence in Maryland. The gang's colors, we're told, are orange and blue. And police say if you see something that looks like it's affiliated with a gang, call 911. At the 11 News Live Desk, I'm Andre Hepkins.